It is a very comfortable place to be. And most people don't say that about a dentist.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, as I was leaving the office today, I said, I'm going to my dentist, and somebody said, oh, good luck, and I said, actually, I relax when I go there. Everybody is incredibly professional. What I like best, or one of the things I like best about this office is the stability. The same people are here, and they have been here for years. Very professional, absolutely up to date on what's new in dentistry, caring, and interested in me as a person. The stability in this office, the intention to keep up to date on what's new in dentistry, and really, for me, most of all, I feel like you care about me.
I was wearing braces at the time, and I had just moved from New Jersey, and I needed a dentist, and I wanted a good one. I'm used to the best. I want to know who the best is, and he gave me Alan's name. And we're growing old together. When you know somebody for about 30 years, you know, I'm noticing all the changes. So.
I just like the fact that they know me. You know, it's not just, oh, you're just some other patient. They know me, and it's just, you know, a place I've been coming. I can't really imagine going anywhere else.
You guys are fun. You're always upgrading, always updating your office, which is less important than upgrading your equipment, your techniques. I like that.
Always positive. I mean, everybody's so friendly. You know, and they just interact with you, talk with you while you're waiting for your appointment to start. I mean, everybody's just genuinely nice.
Funny, handsome, competent. I have recommended people to you, and they come here and they're your patients. I'm sorry that I didn't start going to you from the age of 3 like she did, because her smile is a lot nicer than mine. We love you, Alan.
Don't retire.
Our real estate agent who knew Alan, and when we moved up here, she was helping us with our house search and recommended Alan, and we've been here ever since. Well, I think the people that are in it, and of course the new design and the makeover is terrific. All the new equipment and the space is wonderful, but it's not the physical space. It's the staff and the doctors. Well, I think great. I was thinking about this coming over here, and I think part of what has been important for me is not only eventually I had a lot of essentially cosmetic dentistry done, but a history all along of attention to the medical side of the dentistry side. I mean, I came here as a patient for standard dentistry, and I think that's been the hallmark all along, in a sense that the important the first priority was health and the health of your mouth and teeth, and then it evolved into getting fairly elaborate procedures done, but again with an attention to what was medically correct as well as cosmetically correct. Important part of that process has been the periodontist side of it, and it's been clear there's a really great working relationship between this office and Dr. Feeney's office, and I think that's contributed a lot to the success of the whole process. Well, again, I think a team is one good point about it. People work together, and you see different people sometimes, but there's a sense of continuity, and that everybody cares about your history and how you're progressing and you're getting the right care. Absolutely. I guess after 25 years, I have to say yes, I must be doing something right. Well, again, I think because of the quality of the care and the sense that was getting the treatment that was right for me, both medically and for reconstructive purposes. So, you know, I think it needed to be done, and it got done in what I can see is the right way. Well, again, I guess the quality of the care and the quality of the people. I mean, I think they're great to deal with, and I feel I've gotten the right kind of treatment for what I needed. Well, I think I would say thank you to Alan Hinkle for 25 years of excellent care and good treatment.
The difference is let's go back 20 years, and that's the smile. Now it's this. You know, it's to the point where I hear comments from people saying, "Oh yeah, Smiling McClarity," you know, and that is priceless because someone's remembering me because of the smile. To say that the smile opens doors is an understatement. I can charm a crowd like I never could before. I also knew at some point that your dad's going to retire. And I always used to joke with him, and I still joke with him, I said, "You can't retire till I don't need you anymore." However, the fact that you're here, Andrew, and you are so much like your dad, I'm like, yes, I've got another one.
It really feels like family right about now since I've been coming here for 33 years. And they do a wonderful job, and I always get dental floss when I leave, which is a bonus. Probably, I think it's the very friendly staff and the professional manner, and I think certainly, you know, from what I've heard and, you know, seen in other orthodontics places, it's really a higher level of professionalism and a higher level, it seems to be, you know, technically and capability-wise. The Hinkles do a great job of continuing education, it seems like, whether it be cosmetic or neuromuscular, they're always picking up new education and new skills.